In this video, I'll show you how to check AMD driver version in Windows 11. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open your Windows device. On your Windows device, simply click on WinX on your keyboard, and then this will pop up on your screen. So simply click on Device Manager from here. Now, on Device Manager, go ahead and expand Display Adapters. So under the Display Adapter section, you'll find AMD Radeon Graphics. So right click on it and you will find the option to view the properties of this AMD driver. So in here, simply head over into the driver tab, and under the driver tab, you'll be able to find the driver version. And that's basically how you can check AMD driver version in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.